Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a framing nailer. First, prioritize safety by always wearing safety glasses and hearing protection. Before starting, thoroughly inspect your nailer for any damage and confirm the air hose is securely attached. Familiarize yourself with the depth adjustment and different firing modes, like sequential or contact, to ensure you're using the tool correctly and safely for your project. Once safety is covered, it's time to load your nailer. Ensure you're using the correct nails, usually 2 to 3½ inches long, suitable for framing. Connect your air compressor and set the pressure between 80 to 120 psi. Always perform a test fire on a scrap piece of wood to verify the nail depth and ensure the tool is functioning properly before you begin your actual work. Now, let's talk about technique. Hold the framing nailer firmly against your workpiece, ensuring a stable and secure grip for accurate placement. Choose between sequential firing for precise, single nail placement, or bump firing for faster, repetitive nailing on longer runs. Remember to overlap studs by 1½ inches to create strong, reliable connections that will stand the test of time in your framing projects. Proper maintenance extends your tool's life. After each use, always disconnect the air supply and clear any jammed nails safely. Regularly lubricate your nailer with a few drops of pneumatic tool oil to keep it running smoothly. And speaking of smart investments, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. You'll find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.